What is going on, everybody, on this Taco Tuesday? That sounds so weak, but y'all already know what it is. It's Emoneyshoes and Mr. Brick by Brick, Mr. KO4, coming to you with another video. And if you haven't checked out the sis channel, 313 Retro Queen, PMKICKZ, MCFLYKOF, it'll all be in the description below. Everybody making a move. The two bros on their way to 5K. Sis hit 1K and on her way to 2K. I myself on the way to 10K. But like I said, I always want to just hit it around Christmas time, something like that. But once again, let's get into this review. It's not about me, it's about the shoes. So stop running your mouth, Emoneyshoes. Here we go. It's not a Jordan box, as you can see, that's obvious. Mr. Captain Obvious, right? But I want to bring you some different new stuff. As you can see, this is a PP, not a poo-poo, but a PP. PP means beef and Hawaiian, right? But in this case, it means personal pair. Size 10.5, 12 for women. KD13, Fisher colorway, black, white, wolf, gray. Suggested retail price $150. And you see it, that infamous sticker, Navy Exchange, $119. I got it cheaper than that. It was under $100. I forgot where I put the receipt, but I have it in the house somewhere. Y'all gotta take my word for it. If you want to find out, you need if your pairs are legit, use that 4D bar scanner on your phone, and it'll click right on all this, and it'll tell you exactly who, where, when, where, how to find your shoes. As you can do, you see this Kevin Durant number 7. It used to be KD 35, changed the number. I ain't mad at him. You see, you got a stamp a ramp right there. You got this paper here, and I like these joints because I think you can. Bam, I think you can do this either way, performance or lifestyle. Take a look, take a look, take a look. Let's get it up close and personal on these shoes. This one here is not as narrow, in my opinion, as those other. This actually has a little bit of bulk to it, and it is pretty light compared to the other ones. I like how this swoosh go down into the midsole. It's kind of like a foam type material, which is very, very dope. You come underneath, you can see this zoom. Most of it in the 4-foot, right? Because you need that balance for balling. You got these paws. It kind of remind you of the Westbrooks and the PG3s. You see, you got his signature right here. And like I said, I like this marble underneath. Like I said, you got the zoom. I'm pretty sure it's a great balling shoe. I have retired, but anybody got any feedback on it, by all means, leave and comment. Right here, you got this Phylon type material, which is very, very light. Then you see you got the stitching right here on the shoe. Nothing really too much on the toe. Only somebody had etching toes on some type of commemorative thing. Coming up here on the tongue, you got Kevin Durant, number 7. The laces, nothing spectacular, right? Just pretty much black with blue hits. Coming around on this side, like I said, I like this. Got the 7 because that's what his number is at Brooklyn. And then you got this swoosh coming down here. I kind of like this marble material. Then you got spackles right here, like a kind of got like the cement look. But I just really love the check going on. I think that's the best part of the shoe, in my opinion. You see, you got some stitching here. Then you come around the back, you see you got that KD. Then you on that ass. Actually, on the laces, you got a little couple of blue tips, but then you got all more of this Phylon material, which is very, very dope. Coming around on the medial side, you got a small check right here, and you got another small reverse check right here with a lot of stitching, and it is reverse. But like I said, this is definitely a performance shoe, but you can rock it as a lifestyle shoe, in my opinion. I think I can pull this off. And inside, you see you got white, pretty much no shoe tree or none of that. And you got Kevin Durant double stack air zoom. So it's not one stack, you got double stack like double cheeseburger, right? McDouble, double whopper, all of that stuff. Okay, y'all get my drift, right? Double means double. Now, this paper just, every time I get the shoe with the hard paper, I swear. But then you can see you got the QR code in there. Hopefully you can see that. But let's get another once over real quick, because I think this shoe is dope. I think it's dope. You guys let me know what you think about it. Like I said, it's actually a pretty light shoe. And remember, it has double stack zoom, not one stack, but double stack. And you see, you got an air zoom on the side. Like I said, I really like this part of the shoe. Now, for the Litty Lit meter, nothing spectacular. Price point pretty decent. KD, this one is pretty good. I give it about a 4.6 out of 5. You guys let me know. We can agree to disagree. Like I said, you can get a real quick look on it again. Get that spinneroonie. Like I said, normally his shoes, his and Kyrie's and PG have stuff etched in it, but I don't see anything on this one unless I need to put on my glasses. So again, 4.5 out of 5. Thanks for all the love and support. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up, like, subscribe. Brick by Brick, KL4, Emoneyshoes, peace, love, and chicken grease. I'm out.